Life in the deep sea is difficult, so many fishes there have special adaptations to improve their ability to feed and to mate. Deep-sea anglerfish may not regularly encounter suitable prey, so they have very large mouths and stomachs and long, pointy teeth in order to facilitate capturing and swallowing anything that they find. They also have a lure, like all anglerfishes, that they use to attract prey. The deep-sea anglerfish's lure is filled with bacteria that make their own light. Using a muscular skin flap, a deep-sea anglerfish can either hide or reveal its lighted lure. By pulsing the light and moving the lure back and forth, they successfully attract pelagic crustaceans, fishes, and other prey. The lure is also used to attract a mate. The only individuals that fit the above description are females. Females are the large, ambush predators. Females have the lighted lures. Males are very small and are not predatory. Once they hatch, they spend all of their energy searching for mates, biting onto larger females, and fertilizing their eggs. In many anglerfishes, the male becomes parasitic and never releases from his mate again, feeding from her blood and becoming little more than a sperm factory. That is not, however, the case in the deep-sea anglerfish. After only a short union, the male releases and seeks out another mate. Even though they form these tight bonds during mating, reproduction occurs via external fertilization. The female releases her eggs into the deep water column, and the male immediately releases his sperm, which locate and fertilize the eggs. Deep-sea anglerfish are not eaten by people, and there is no evidence to suggest that people have any negative effects on their populations. They are likely naturally rare, however, and any changes to the deep-sea environment could threaten this interesting species. Physical characteristics: body. These fishes have a normally dark-colored body with shades of grayish-black or brown. The structure of the body is primarily framed out of flesh and soft bones. Size. Sexual dimorphism is noticed in the humpback anglerfish when it comes to their size. While the males can only grow up to 2.9 centimeter, the females are unusually large and can have a size of 18 centimeters. Head. The humpback anglerfishes are known to have huge heads with large, crescent-shaped mouths that are equipped with large teeth. They also have large nostrils and eyes. Teeth. Both jaws are lined with extremely sharp translucent teeth. Fins. The fins and the tails have a coarse structure. The dorsal fins have got 13 rays to 15 rays, the pectoral fins consist of 17 to 22 rays, and the anal fin has got 4 rays. Distribution. The humpback anglerfish can be seen in almost all parts of the world, both in tropical as well as temperate areas of the oceans. They have been spotted in high numbers along East China Sea and South China Sea. Habitats. Humpback anglerfishes are mostly found within the deepest waters of the planet's oceans. Since they are found at depths of 3,000 feet and beyond, the area of the water is completely dark. The complete lack of sunlight in such depths also makes the water extremely cold and almost freezing. Behavior. So far it has not been possible to study the behavior of these fishes, as most of the time they live in extreme depths of ocean bodies. The males are very small, which means that they are not predatory. On the other hand, the females are very large, and therefore tend to be more dominant in their behavior. Males are not aggressive hunters, and they prefer to ambush their prey, silently waiting for them to come closer as they grab them. The light that these fishes have on their foreheads is used for attracting the prey. These fishes move back and forth to cause a pulsating effect of the light, so that this attracts other fishes and crustaceans which can be eaten as food. Diet. The diet of humpback anglerfishes mostly consists of other small fishes, turtles, shrimps and small squids. Mating and reproduction. Mating period for the humpback anglerfish is shorter than some of the other types of anglerfishes. The body structure of the males makes it easier for them to find females for mating. Male anglerfishes use their body scent and light for detecting the females. After they have found the females, the males use their hooked teeth to attach themselves to the female and starts drinking the blood from the female, while supplying sperm for fertilizing the female's eggs. After the short mating spell comes to an end, the male anglerfish starts looking for another female to attach itself with. Reproduction in these fishes happens through external fertilization. The female fish releases the eggs or ovum in the water, whereas the males immediately provide their sperm, and this leads to fertilization of the eggs. Life cycle. Females lay their eggs on a layer of gelatinous material which usually floats on the surface of the water. The eggs start hatching to larvae soon, and they feed on the tiny planktons till they grow up to a considerable size. Once the larvae start to mature, they are going to go back to the depths of ocean. Adaptations. Have a look at the distinct adaptations that the humpback anglerfish has developed. First one, the unusual body shape of the humpback anglerfish makes it difficult for them to swim quickly. This limitation has been compensated adequately by their bioluminescent spine that is located on their foreheads. This glows brightly in the dark to attract the prey. The second one, the bioluminescent spine, can also lighten up their scary face, which can repel potential predators. The third one, they have a rounded body which renders it easier for these fishes to gulp their prey down. The fourth one, since they have a very large mouth, it helps them to capture and eat prey that are much larger in size compared to them. The fifth one, these fishes have a sensitive lateral line which in turn enables them to sense underwater movements as well as water pressure. The facial dots also help them to detect the presence of other living beings in the ocean water. The sixth one, the teeth of these fishes are very sharp, and they are angled inwards, which makes it difficult for their prey to escape once they are caught. These are some interesting facts about humpback anglerfish. First one, instead of swimming, these fishes normally wobble in the water because of their unusual roundish body. The second one, the light in their bioluminescent spine comes from phytoplankton, which is a type of tiny bacteria. The third one, there is very little understanding about the males as only 8 specimens have been obtained so far. The fourth one, the humpback anglerfish is only one of the 6 anglerfish species found in ocean waters. The fifth one, the humpback anglerfish do not use their teeth to kill the prey, at least not unless it tries to escape. Instead, they prefer to gulp and ingest the prey. This method of hunting is referred to as angling, and it is this that has earned them their name. So, today we are looking for some details about humpback anglerfish. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.